Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to drive your Ram 1500. First, get comfortable in the driver's seat and adjust your mirrors for clear visibility. Next, familiarize yourself with the ignition system and how to start the engine smoothly. Take a moment to understand the dashboard layout and primary controls before you even put it in gear. This foundational knowledge is key to a confident start. Now, let's explore some of the Ram 1500 more advanced capabilities. Engaging four-wheel drive is simple and crucial for off-road adventures or slippery conditions. When towing, remember to distribute weight properly and adjust your driving style for the added load. Your truck also offers various driving modes, like tow/haul or sport, which optimize performance for specific situations. Mastering these features enhances your driving experience. Yep. Hey everyone, if you're finding this guide helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more great content. Quick recommendation: life's too short for cheap socks. Seriously, check out Darn Tough Socks. They come with a lifetime warranty and are incredibly comfortable. You can find a link to them and other fantastic deals in the video description below. Now, let's get back to the video. Safety is paramount when driving any vehicle, especially a powerful truck like the Ram 1500. Always practice careful parking, utilizing your mirrors and cameras. Regular maintenance, such as checking tire pressure and fluid levels, ensures your truck performs reliably. Familiarize yourself with advanced safety features like blind spot monitoring and lane keeping assist. They are there to help you stay safe on the road. Drive smart and stay informed.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.